الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما خلقت الجن والإنس إلا ليعبدون. Respected chairman, percentages, teachers and my lovely sisters. Today is my topic, why we are facing such calamities. All praise is due to Allah Almighty. We glorify Him and praise Him and we ask Him for the help. Allah Almighty has created us only for the purpose of His worship. As Allah says in the Holy Quran, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ. Surah Al-Qariyah, ayat number 56. It means, I have only created jinns and me, that may serve me. But today we have kept His advice behind. Instead of praying to Allah, we have started praying for the waves. We even don't care what Allah and Prophet say. Due to this, today we are facing many epidemics, various deaths and dangers, disaster and drought, as Quran says. وَمَا أَصَابَكُم مِّن مُّصِيبَةٍ فَبِمَا كَسَبَتْ أَيْدِيكُمْ. Surah Ash-Shura, ayat number 30. It means, whoever misfortune happens to you is because of the things your hands have wrought. So, my dear readers, I want to raise this issue while we are facing such epidemic. This sister, according to the Quran and Sunnah, Allah says, وَعَبُدُوا اللَّهَ وَلَا تُشْرِكُوا بِهِ شَيْئًا. Surah An-Nisa, ayat number 36. It means, serve Allah and join not any partners with Him. In spite of this, the cast of Nuh, may Allah pleased with him, had started worship of idolatry. Their prophet had advanced them to love. The prophet tried worship and to serve only for Allah, but they did not follow his advice. As you can see today, our Muslim society had started doing the some things. They didn't care what Allah and His Messenger says. Nowadays, idolatry has sparked like fire commonly and generally in our Muslim society. Interest all of one the Islam's strictly prohibits interest, as Allah says. الذين يأكلون الربا لا يقومون إلا كما يقوم الذي يتخبطه الشيطان من المس. Surah Al-Baqarah, ayat number 275. It means, those who differ easily will not stand except as stairs, whom the second bar is judged. Dear judges, my lovely sisters, so we need to take erase from our society. We need to educate Islam's education also to our children so that they can to know what is right and what is wrong in this world. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.